I did a lot, but I feel amazing. I did a lot, but I feel amazing. Smoking weed, gotta get my hazing. Working hard, gotta get my days. And I'm certified, you can ask the pavement. When I move, I be low key. Hot as fuck, how you know me? Been in jail, left them codeine. While I'm cruising, running through an OZ. I did a lot, but I feel amazing. I did a lot, but I feel amazing. I did a lot, but I feel amazing. Smoking weed, gotta get my hazing. Working hard, gotta get my days. And I'm certified, you can ask the paper. Top 5 of the chef work. My little cousin had the best work. New faces trying to network. Got a new bra with the chest work. Blue pawns for the boob job. Can't tell a fake, you gotta press firm. After telling getting head work with the LV logo on the sweatshirt. New V's on the block, I be swerving. None of my pockets are hurting. Fucking up the check on purpose. I gave her the D, now she nervous. They don't even know my lifestyle. Keep thinking it's sweet on the surface. Come and test the eyes, please don't be surprised if they start laying them curtains. I'm 7:30 out the gate. I'm about to roll me an 8. Fuck what you think. Got the plug on the way. Nah, nigga, I ain't never late. Trying to eat like I ain't never ate. Dutch and sour is how I medicate. I'm in Haiti here to keep my level straight. Let's touch a million, then we celebrate. Ride out on the late tip. My homie not for he ain't say shit. Couple things that we played with. Then not a chance for the K to hit. I seen them ball while I played the bench, so I hit the block and started making hits. Weed and smoke is my favorite shit. How you broke down make no sense. Yeah. I did a lot, but I feel amazing. I like it. 2 hours ago. Shout out to L125 chat. You just getting all day. Facts, nigga.
You're right.
Jailed up in codeine while I'm cruising, running through an OZ. I did a lot, but I feel amazing. Coming soon, man. At the Instagram, LA_links, LINX25. I did a lot, but I feel amazing. Smoking weed, gotta